Reflections 2, page 3. I have a negative sign in front of the root function, the root symbol, which tells me that it's going to be a reflection in the x-axis, and I have a negative sign in front of the x term, which tells me it's going to be a reflection in the y-axis. Since I've got a leading negative sign in front of the x, I've got to factor it out of the two terms here under the root sign, so that becomes negative x minus 3. So that tells me that I'm going to be adding 3 to the x terms and subtracting 2 from the y terms, and I'm going to be multiplying the y terms by the negative 1 as well. Applying that to the key points, I get the mapped points. I sketch the graph, and then in English, it's a reflection in both axes. It's a horizontal shift right by 3 units and a vertical shift down by 2 units. Here we have a reciprocal function. Notice that the negative is there's a negative up beside the 1. That's like saying negative times everything here, so I could move the negative sign out here. That negative, it goes with in front, so that's a leading negative sign, which tells you that you're multiplying by the y's, and so it's going to be a reflection in the x-axis. We're going to do a vertical shift up 3 units and a horizontal shift to the right by 2 units. So I'm going to have x plus 2 for my x mapping and negative y plus 3 from my y mapping. I apply it to the key points. I draw in my asymptotes so I know how the axes are shifting, and then I just plot the 2 points and draw in the 2 parts of the function. In English, it's a reflection in the x-axis, a horizontal shift right 3 units, and a vertical shift up 2 units.